This tutorial will just go through how you can format text in an InDesign document. The first thing you need to do when you want to put text on the document is use the type tool. It's the T in the toolbox. And you drag a box the size you want the text to fill, even though doesn't have to be the right size when you first drag it. You can change the size of the text box at any point. But I'm going to type in my name. You can type in as much or as little text as you like, and then I'm going to select the text just like you would do in Word. And at the top of your screen, all this stuff lets you change the font. So the top one is the font style. Underneath that, sometimes depending on the font that you use, let's just go for Rockwell, regular. Sometimes, zoom in so you can see this in a bit more detail. Sometimes with some fonts you'll get the choice of different font styles. So I've got regular, italic, bold and bold italic. I'll make that bold or bold italic from that second drop down menu. So the top panel's the font family. Underneath that is the style field. Next to that we've got the size of the text, and we can choose some preset sizes, or we could type our own value in, hit the return key, or we can use the little arrows just to the left of the name to make that bigger and smaller. And if you want to, while the text is selected, you can use your swatches panel to change the colour of the text. When I change to my selection tool, I can click away and you can see I've now got some red text there. The squiggly red line means it thinks I've spelt my name wrong. But if I look at that in preview mode, by clicking this little tiny button at the bottom of the tools panel called preview, that'll go away. So it's a good idea with your text boxes to keep them as small as you need them. So remember to just try and drag the handles to keep them tidy. So that's how you put text in. Quick recap: you use your type tool, you drag a text frame, you type your text in, and you format it by selecting it. You have to let InDesign know what text you want to change, and you choose different fonts. Let's go with Rosewood, and you choose different sizes. And you can make the text boxes bigger by stretching them out using the handles. You can make them smaller by dragging the handles in. And you can change the colour of text by selecting it, making sure your T's at the top, your fill colours at the top of those two swatch panels in your toolbox, and then you can just pick the colour you want it to be. And that's how you format text in InDesign.